So whether you currently sell on Amazon FBA or if you're thinking about selling on Amazon FBA, welcome, you're in the right spot, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn the Amazon Choice Badge for your product and your listing for a high demand keyword that actually gives you access or closer access to 100 million Amazon customers. So let's jump in. Awesome, so we're about to go on an action-packed journey together, investigating what exactly the Amazon Choice Badge is, because it's a mystery to a lot of people, and how you can use it to really get a huge spike in your sales or your future sales if you're not currently selling on Amazon yet. And all that I ask in return is that you hit that like button below this video to show me that you are liking this sort of content and to help me push my video out into the big YouTube universe and have more people discover it. So now that that's done, we're going to jump on this journey together, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn this little black mysterious badge for your product. So we're in gym towels at the moment, and this is going to be really fast-paced and action-packed because I don't want to waste your time, but it is a very powerful strategy. So I've gone into gym towel, and you can see these people are obviously all private label sellers who have imported these towels from China or India or somewhere relatively cheap to source them from, and they're selling them on the US store for 3 to 4 times the price that they buy them from. Now, Amazon have decided that for gym towel, the keyword gym towel, they are going to choose this set of 12 white towels as their choice for that. And the key here to remember is that Amazon's Choice Badge gets one choice per keyword. So if you type in gym towel, they're going to have an Amazon's choice for gym towel. If you type in hand fan, you can see there's 2 here, but you can see they're actually the same product. One's just an ad, and that's the Amazon's choice for hand fan. And I can do one live that I'm just going to make up on the spot by typing in K and going to type in knee brace, because we've used that example a few times here. Here it is, the the only Amazon's Choice Badge listing for knee brace. And if I scroll down, you'll see that no other people will have the Amazon Choice Badge for the keyword knee brace. So each keyword get a Amazon Choice Badge. Now, if I go over here to Jungle Scout, this is a tool that if you sell on Amazon FBA, you definitely need, especially if you're researching products, or only, I guess, if you're researching products or competitors. If you haven't found your product yet, this tool is going to be really helpful for you. Make sure you get it. The link is in the description. You get 20% off there. It is an affiliate link, but you also save money. So I always sort by revenue when I run Jungle Scout. I just click on this little thing up here and it'll pop up and calculate exactly how much these listings are making. And you can see I've sorted by revenue, and Amazon Basics, which is the one with the Amazon Choice. Oh, it's actually not. It's a different color there. I get making the most amount of money, and you can see that this one here has the Amazon Choice Badge. They're not making the most money. They are sold by Amazon, which I think no coincidence that they have the badge. But Amazon's Basics, which is Amazon's own company, don't always earn the badge. There is a way that you can earn the badge, and private label companies like this one right here, Braku Knee Support, not run by Amazon, have earned the badge here. And what we have to do is we have to jump in to the reason that Amazon actually introduced this badge in the first place, in order to know how you can get it for the keyword that you want to optimize for. So this is an official quote from Amazon saying they launched the badge in 2015, and this is what the badge looks like close up, as a way to simplify shopping for customers. So the key here is they want to simplify shopping for customers and make it really easy for people to buy products. So by highlighting highly rated, well-priced products ready to ship immediately. So there we go. You want them to be highly rated, you want to be well-priced, and you want them to be able to ship immediately, or otherwise Amazon Prime. So shipped into Amazon's warehouse and available for 2-day delivery. And they do this for the most popular searches on Amazon. If you go to Amazon and if you type in big brown gym towel, there might be an Amazon Choice Badge, but you can see it's unlikely. So they want to do like the highly trafficked search terms, which is why it's going to be really powerful if you can grab one of these for your own listing. And Amazon say it allows customers to make fast and easy decisions on what to buy. Amazon's Choice is our recommendation, and customers can always ask for specific brands or products if they choose. They can buy anything they want, but it's Amazon's recommendation in order to streamline people's shopping. Now, this is actually really fascinating if you zoom out another level and you realize that the way Amazon is trending is that they want every keyword, every time someone types in something, almost for Amazon to tell them which product to buy immediately, and that product is going to start owning the majority of the sales in that niche. And they're really, the top listings are going to be pulled away from the rest over the next 10 years or so, until the point, and I'm going to show you an example of this, where you don't even get to pick, and Amazon are picking for you which product they think you should buy. And another important note, that you don't have to enroll or register to be considered for Amazon's choice for your listing. You don't have to do anything special here except what I'm about to tell you. Amazon's choice feature considers highly rated, Prime eligible, so highly rated, ready to ship immediately, so in Amazon Prime. It's not possible to specifically request that your product be selected. They're constantly updated, so it's not fixed. If you get it, you have to continue to offer high quality, well-priced products that are ready to ship immediately, so your customers will give you the best chance to your customers, well-priced products to your customers, to be given the best chance to be selected as Amazon's choice. Now, you can see here, I don't know if you guys have one of these at home. I do, and 100 million people also do. So I'm not even going to say its name because it is going to light up 100 screens across the US if I do say it. But these devices are basically Amazon's assistant. So they go in the home, they go in the kitchen, they go next to your bed, they go wherever, and they're going to play music, play podcasts for you. They're going to tell you the weather. They're going to Google things for you. And they're very, very effective. And I'm pretty sure you know what this is already. If you don't, I'm going to let you Google that in your own time. And what they also do is they buy products on Amazon for you. So you don't need to go online, type in your product, buy it, hit the one click buy. You don't need to do that anymore. If you're out of dish soap, all you have to do is ask your device by saying device name, buy dish soap, and it will go. And it will go to Amazon, and here's the secret. It'll go to the Amazon's choice for the keyword that you say. If you say dish soap, and we can pull this up here, dish soap, it's going to go and it's going to buy, if they have one, and they actually don't have one. I'll show you a different example. Let's do makeup mirror. If you say name of the device, buy makeup mirror, it's going to go and buy this one. And I'll upload a video right here on the screen for you to show you the example that I'm going to go and ask my device right now. Alexa, order a makeup mirror.
I just added a reminder for makeup mirror to your Amazon cart, where you can choose something before checkout, including Amazon's choice. Cool Orbs Makeup 21 LED Vanity Mirror with lights, 1x, 2x, 3x magnification.
So you can see that this was the mirror that it added to cart. And if you're in the US, I'm actually in Australia, it's going to ask you if you want to confirm buy. And right there on the device, you're able to buy a mirror without looking at any of the competitors, but you go straight and you buy Amazon's choice, which is absolutely really powerful because 100 million homes have this device installed in them, and it's growing. 50% of households in the US very soon are going to have this device. And as they get easier or lazier, it's going to get easier to order just from that by audio without having to pull up your phone or a computer and ordering your product. So by being able to get this Amazon Choice Badge early, you're going to be able to really skyrocket your sales. So you can see Amazon's official reason why, and this was for this basketball up here that was Amazon's choice. You can see we have a low return rate, why we love this Amazon's choice product. They said low return rate, highly rated, and it's a popular item. So a lot of people are buying it, which goes hand in hand with what they're saying up here. And that means, what are the action steps for you to get this Amazon's Choice Badge and skyrocket your sales and your ratings, and over the long term become the dominant item in whatever niche that you're in? One, obviously the key here, and this is the key even if you're not going for the badge, high customer satisfaction. You want high reviews, low returns, and great customer service, because that is what Amazon is asking for. They want high rated, low returns. You want fast delivery, which don't have to worry about that. You just need to be Amazon Prime. Don't be fulfilled by merchant long term. If you are short term, that's totally fine. But send your product into Amazon and have them ship it for you. 3, this is a big one. So I've highlighted these 2 big ones here because these are the biggest hacks you can use. You can have consistency of stock. Don't go and, if I go to knee brace here, and I go to the Amazon Choice Badge, you want to make sure that you're staying in stock, because if Amazon's recommending you and all of a sudden you run out of stock, Amazon's going to be like, why are we recommending this person who can't actually handle their stock? You want to go for someone who's had a long track record of being in stock for long periods of time. You can see there's a little bit of period of time here that they've been out of stock, but for the majority of time, they're in stock and they're selling, and Amazon can depend on them to consistently provide high value products to the customers. So you want to make sure that you're not running out of stock. And actually, I have a video on this channel on how to never run out of stock, the calculator you can download to make sure you never run out of stock. The 4th thing, you want to be popular for a specific search term. So when you're doing your keyword analysis, and I've got videos on this, and we've got free training for Amazon training in the description exactly on this, how to do SEO for your listing and appear number 1 in your search term. You want to single out the specific search term for this Amazon's Choice Badge. Don't try and spread really thin over 100 different keywords. Make sure you're applying this one keyword early on in your title. Make sure you're putting it early on in your dot points or bullet points. Put it early on in your description at least 3 times, and in your keywords in the back end. Therefore, Amazon's going to index your product for this and have people buy your product going through these keywords. Now, the second or the third strategy you want to use at the same time, and we can break these out one by one in separate videos, but I want to give you the overview here. You want to be running consistent pay per click, so paid ads on Amazon for this exact term. And the key here is consistent, because Amazon want to make sure you're relevant for this term and getting sales. So if you've got a high conversion rate and you're targeting this keyword, you're going to be getting a lot of sales, a high conversion rate, and therefore once you have high customer satisfaction and a consistency of stock, Amazon are going to be able to give you the Amazon Choice Badge, and then it's up to you to maintain that high quality listing, that high quality customer service, and keep that badge. So it's pretty straightforward if you think about it. And once again, it always comes down to having a really good product, a product that's innovating on your competitors, and consistency. Just be consistent. Just every day, spend 20 minutes, 30 minutes on your listing and be able to stay at the top of your niche. Now, the last question you may have is how to find what keywords have the Amazon Choice Badge. It's really simple. I'm going to show you in 10 seconds. Come over here, and if I sold knife sharpeners, I'd type in knife sharpener, and I'd have a look here at these keywords. These ones are most likely to have the Amazon Choice, not the bestseller, Amazon Choice tag attached to these keywords. So I'd simply come in and click on it, and you can see right here, they have Amazon's Choice for knife sharpener. So if I was a knife sharpener, I would go after this really high demand keyword. If you're really early on, you can see knife sharpener electric or knife sharpener stone or whatever it is that properly describes your listing. You can type that in afterwards, and you go for the smaller keyword. But of course, if you are new to Amazon FBA, you don't want to be competing on the top level, because I want to show you this, you don't need to be. And this is a big mistake, and I want to make new videos about this because a lot of people do it. It's okay to not be the top person in your niche. You can still have the Amazon Choice Badge, and you can still, if I sort these knife sharpening stones or knife sharpener stones by revenue, once that loads, you can see you could be number 8 in knife sharpener stone, and you could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, still doing $20,000 of revenue a month. So this is how you earn the Amazon Choice Badge. You want to reverse engineer it, offer high quality, consistent products that are sold through Prime, and pinpoint those keywords not only in your listing but in pay per click. Now, if you want all this laid out for you, make sure you sign up to the free training in the description of this video, where we show you how we took a product from $0 to $10,000 a month fully transparently in a free Amazon training. So looking forward to seeing you there, and I'm looking forward to you subscribing, hitting that like button, and thank you for making it to the end of this video. Not many people actually do, so I know you're onto something. I know you're going to do well with Amazon FBA because you're committed to getting the actual details and not just skipping through videos without learning. So good for you. I'm going to see you in the next video.